say, can you see? By the dawn's early light, and so proudly we hail, by the twilight's last gleaming. What's up, guys? Today, today we're gonna be going to mine for uranium, and I'm gonna be rocking this new fit. Tell me how you like it. I know, it's so good. It's so good. It's horrible. Let's go. So we're not gonna be using the blue backpacks. We're actually gonna be using these ones. The Star Spangled Spanker.
I don't have one of those, Matt. Thank you.
And then let me get my light. Let me get the grappler. And I'm gonna get my mining tool. Okay, you ready? Yep. I think. Ow! King Shada. Ming, 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 ming. I just hit my thing. I just hit my PS5, so that's not good. I hit it a lot, no cap.
I hope you don't mind. I'm gonna speed run it.
You have to wait for me, ding dong.
Till you're ready.
Wait for me.
Oh, wait first circle.
Alright, let's go. Just get out. I'm out of there. I'm out of there.
Yo, I got a research point. You still...
I made it.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright. We out of there. Where is it? Whoa. Chat, I've never seen this before. Oh.
Oh, yeah, this is new.
Oh, let me kill this boy. Let me kill big boy.
Can I have what's in the crate?
Big boy! No, I want what's in the crate. Big boy! Big boy!
I killed it, so I get it.
I get it. What?
Never mind, I don't want it.
You know what? Distraction. So yeah, we're gonna be kind of speedy.
Just you know that was a glitch, I guess, to duplicate crates.
So it might be it might be a short video, because we're just gonna speed run this. Just cram through this tiny hole. Alright, get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. I'm out of there. I'm out of there. Let's go.
I glitched outside the map once just to look down at sewers and see what the map layout was to get through each part, knowing exactly where the spot was.
Okay, so we're gonna be filling our backpacks with the big orbs. Only the big ones, okay? Only get the big ones, okay?
The super big or just medium?
Get super big. No, actually, get medium and bigs, okay?
Hey, why am I doing all the mining?
Oh,
How
wait.
come you're collecting? That's not fair. I mined it.
Okay, you can collect yours that you mine.
You're right. No. You collected. You. Wait, no. If we mine it, we collect it.
Yeah. But remember, only get the medium and the really big ones.
Yep, if it's a small one, never get it. Yeah, I got 3 biggies for me.
You want that one?
Yep.
I'm gonna go get some over here.
Yep.
Small.
I just saw a huge trunk of
Oh yeah, all the way up here. So we're gonna wanna get the big ones. So instead of the small ones, I'm just gonna try getting down here so I can sort all of them. Yeah, right over here. Okay. So stay down here. Okay. Get that medium, get that big. We're gonna get all the bigs, then the mediums, just so we know we have enough space. We shouldn't have enough space. Oh, we do. That's good. Yo, hello? Do you copy?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Alright, my back's almost full, so I'm gonna start heading out soon. I just found a massive chunk. I'm gonna head out.
Dropped 2 big ones.
Sorry about the interruption, guys. My friend's joining. I had to tell them to leave. My bag's full. I'm gonna start heading out.
Bro, every time I find these purple circular things, I just opened a big crate from one, and it gave me a rope gun.
Dang, that's good.
Even though I already have a rope gun, and I own rope guns, and the rope gun is.
That's crazy.
So really, it was kind of useful.
Alright, I'm heading out. I have a full bag.
Same.
So that's gonna be our
I just
rubber
clicked
stick.
escape.
Okay, I'm escaping soon.
Bro, I'm back.
Back? Hello?
Yeah, I'm back.
Alright. We got our
I'm
bags.
putting my
Pretty good mining
my
strip.
rope gun in here.
It was
Oh,
really
wait.
good mining strip. I got
Yo,
12.
I got 10 things in here.
Yeah, I got some more. You got 10. I got 12. So that's what we got. We're gonna dump them out and get some money. And look at the ball.
I'm following directions. I only got big. We got.
That's all of them. So, alright. This is the trip of the day. Let's see how much money I
Let's
make.
see.
That's decent. That's kind of decent. But yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. Bye.